Hey guys, Jeff Gregg out here today without Mark, unsupervised. We're gonna go show you a neighborhood here that's on the Ridgeville side, close to Somerville, just about 7 minutes to Dorchester Road, 9 minutes to where I am right now, Givens Ferry State Park. So there's camping here. You can float down the river here, the Edisto River. There's canoeing, kayaking. There's playgrounds here. There's camping, primitive, non-primitive campsites. A lot to offer. We're gonna show you around this area just a little bit here. But we're gonna go to a neighborhood today. It's an Eastwood neighborhood. They've got spec homes in addition to, you can do ground up construction where you pick your everything. And it's what I love about the neighborhood is completely surrounded by trees. So vast majority of the homes in this neighborhood are backed up to woods. I'm gonna show you two today when we get over there, a single story and a two-story. One of them is backed up to, or actually they're both backed up to other homes and a little waterway. But the rest of the neighborhood where you can build from the ground up and pick your everything like we talked about, or the new spec homes that will be coming, they're all backed up to woods for the most part. Price points starting in the low 400s, and they do put a lot of nice stuff in these homes. So check out the Givens Ferry State Park if you're ever out this way. It's a beautiful park. I've been here with my kids to the playground before. It's just a little bit outside of Somerville, and over in this part of town there's a lot of new jobs coming, so people are going to be looking in this part of town more for homes, and we think we found a good neighborhood for you today. Let's go see it. Hey guys, here at the first one. This is a 3-bedroom 2.5 bath. It's available right now at $419,990. It's a ranch, and let's go inside and check it out. All right, here we are. Architectural shingles, love that. Nice stone front on the house. 2-car garage. A little bigger lots here. Vinyl siding, like the color. And inside, we've got nice lighter wood tone floors here. Looks like typical ranch layout. We've got 2 bedrooms here at the front with 1 shared bathroom. So here's carpet. We got a booby light up here, but we are pre-wired for a ceiling fan in here with a reach-in closet. And back out into the hall, a linen closet here with a full bath. So I'm sure we'll find a shower in the primary bedroom, but we've got a bath tub shower combo here in the bathroom, sharing these 2 bedrooms. Again, about the same thing in here. So back to the front here for the garage. Not tankless water heaters. We've got the water heater here in the garage. There's a whole house shut off for the water. If you go out of town, just crank that off and don't have any risk of leaks while you're gone. Nice tile in the laundry room, and we've got the tech closet here in the laundry room. I forget if I showed this. So coat closet here. There's an area here to put a drop zone coming in from the garage also. So there's a half bath here. So I like the counters. So you don't have to have your guests use this bathroom back here for the front 2 bedrooms. You've got a half bath right here in the hallway. And this hallway is pretty wide. So it doesn't have a narrow feel at all going down the hallway. Into living room. I love it that they put a gas or a electric fireplace. Big fan. I don't have the remote here, but this I'm sure can do multiple colors, different types of flames, so that's cool. And into the kitchen. Nice backsplash. Plenty of space in the cupboards. We've got an island that'll hold probably 3 across. Oh, cool sink. Big stainless steel farmhouse sink. And a walk-in pantry. Into the dining space. Before I go there, the microwave is over the range. This is an electric neighborhood apparently, but it is vented outside. So when you're cooking salmon night, your house won't be all stinky like fish. We've got a dining room space here. Put at least a 6-top in here. Outside, one of my favorite porch configurations, protected on 3 sides. So I would sure think this is pre-wired for a ceiling fan out here. It is already screened in. We're backed up to some water here. So there'll be houses, if you can see over there, where there's those white pipes coming out of the ground on the other side of the water, that'll be other homes. So it is backed up in this section right here. But if you look down there, you'll see lots of homes and home sites that are backed up to that woods line over there, wrapping all the way around the front of the neighborhood here. So lots of them in here backed up to woods. Looks like you've got a door from the primary bedroom also. So we'll go the way we came to get back there and go show you the primary. This is kind of a common thing in an Eastwood home. We do see this all the time. We encourage you to put a picture of Mark Klim up there. Carpet in the primary, ceiling fan already installed, that's nice. And then here's the door that goes back out to the patio where we were just at. But 2 big windows here. Definitely big enough for a king-size bed, lots of room in the primary. Floor to ceiling tiled shower. Nice door, dual vanity, water closet, linen closet, and people closet. Oh, it's got a little space around the back here too. So really a nice house at $419. They put nice stuff in it, added a ceiling fan there. And the kitchen in the big space out here looks very nice. All right, back here I just showed you that house over there. And now I'm gonna show you this one. This one is a 2-story, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, priced at $439,990, so just shy of $440. Much bigger house at, how many square feet? I don't know, it doesn't say. We'll go figure it out. Okay, first noticeable thing about this one is the double porches. I've had clients that have said, Jeff, do not even show me a house in Charleston if it doesn't have a double porch. And then we've got the downstairs porch here. Definitely big enough to put some stuff in. Nice light vinyl on the outside. A little darker floors in here, darker door. And right inside the front door is gonna be an office space. It looks like, let me count outlets. We are pre-wired for a ceiling fan here in this one. So office right at the front of the house. And then a half bath right here at the front of the house. So that's lovely. And then this one has a dedicated dining space also. So I think we're gonna find all the bedrooms upstairs in this one. Front of the house, we've got an office and a dining space, and then a big living room here. We'll get there in a second. No real ability to put any chairs around this island, but we do have a reach-in pantry. Here's where the refrigerator would go. Again, electric in this neighborhood, but we are vented to the outside. One thing people sometimes look for is a lot of people don't like when we see the sink in the island all the time. They want it where there's looking outside through a window here. So this one has that. Lots of cabinet space in here. Nice tile work. And then you would put a table here under this light. And then I would say from here over is really the rest of the living room. We've got a chase put in, so if you have surround sound, DVD, whatever here, it would run from there up to behind where you would put the television on the wall. And again, my favorite, the electric fireplace. Looks like we've got one zone down here. I think we'll probably find a second zone upstairs. Steps are carpeted. And just 2-car garage. Again, water heater in the garage. All right, let's go see what we can find upstairs. Got a nice wood handrail going up. A little bit darker carpet, I do like it. Top of the steps. Linen closet. Laundry room up here where all the bedrooms are. And oh, big loft. Didn't expect that. Pre-wired for a ceiling fan, as is all the bedrooms. And this is a secondary bedroom. It's good size. Reaching closet. You could put another television on that wall. So let's see what we can find. Got another bedroom here. View out the back. So all the secondary bedrooms are really big for secondaries. And full bath. Another secondary bedroom. And the primary, huge. Big, big, big. You go old school and put 2 beds in this one. And there is the double porch that I talked about up front. I'd throw a couple ceiling fans out here. This is a really big bedroom. Already has the ceiling fan. And dual vanity, no enclosed water closet, but you do get a big old soaking tub, shower, and then the closet. I can't get over how big this space is, in addition to a really big loft space. Hey guys, so as you can see, 2 really great options here. We've got a 2-story here, a single story here. Great pricing for the Somerville market. Remember, we're just outside of Somerville on the Ridgeville side. Lots of stuff to do, but big fan of this builder. I live in an Eastwood Homes, so obviously I'm kind of partial to them because I've loved my house where I live. If you have any questions about this one or any others around the market, drop into the description below, click on the link. You can schedule a Zoom call with Mark and I, talk about what makes sense for you if you want to be in Ridgeville, Somerville, Lads, and Goose Creek, the whole Charleston market, see what makes sense for you. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.